In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted, causing a volcanic winter. This event led to the year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed and food shortages spread across the northern hemisphere. During this time, Mary Shelley visited Lord Byron in Switzerland. Trapped indoors by the cold, they entertained themselves with ghost stories. One night, Mary dreamt of a scientist who created life, leading to her writing Frankenstein. Could a volcanic eruption really inspire a literary masterpiece? This tale shows how dreams can arise from the most unexpected events. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.